Hey everyone, I'm Liza, and this is Ritas. Welcome to the Barkside. I've been a dog groomer for over 18 years, many of which I own my own business. Meg, my wife, joined me in business in 2017 until we decided to take a sabbatical, sell our house, buy an RV, and travel North America with our 3 dogs. It's been an amazing time on the road, but now, like everyone else, we've had to stop traveling because of COVID-19. We returned to Canada and we are fortunate to be able to self-isolate and quarantine on property of some good friends on Vancouver Island. We've had people reaching out to us since grooming businesses are being closed as non-essential, and a lot of people need help with their dogs' grooming needs, from nail trims to full grooms. While we can't physically help at the moment because of geography or social distancing, we've decided to take the Barkside online to bring you free videos on grooming tips and maintenance you can do with your dog at home in between grooming visits or in situations like this where groomers simply aren't open. We've got a list going of helpful videos including nail clipping and grinding, brushing, clipper blades and combs, scissors, eye trimming, sanitary trimming, and more. If you have questions or need advice on grooming, please share your ideas in the comments for future videos. I will also be offering individually tailored grooming tutorials. This will be a one-on-one video chat session where I'll be able to help you while you groom your dog at home. We'll see you in our next video. Until then, stay at home and don't forget to wash your paws. Hey everyone. People reaching out to us since grooming businesses are Can you just start over? I don't